Now we will see the causes. So there is a huge list of causes which can lead to acute pancreatitis, but we can memorize it by a mnemonic: I get smashed. So many cases are idiopathic, in which you cannot figure out what is the cause that has led to the pathology. And next is gallstones, and you should always keep in mind that gallstones are a common cause of acute pancreatitis, that the stone from the gallbladder, it migrates down from the gallbladder through the bile duct, and it can cause obstruction of the pancreatic duct, and that will cause pancreas to be inflamed. So gallstones are a very common cause of acute pancreatitis. Next is ethanol. After gallstones, ethanol is the second most important cause. So you should also remember that ethanol is again an important cause, and it not only leads to acute pancreatitis, but it can also cause chronic pancreatitis if the patient is chronically taking alcohol. Next are the tumors. So any tumor in the region, it can be pancreas, it can be periampullary tumor, it can also lead to acute pancreatitis. And interesting is scorpion stings. That scorpion stings have been found to be an important cause also. But they are not very common. But you should keep in mind that they can lead to acute pancreatitis. Then microbiological. There are certain bacterial and viral illnesses like mumps, like Coxsackie virus, which can lead to this pathology. Next is autoimmune. That autoimmune diseases like polyarthritis nodosa, like SLE, they can also have impact on pancreas. Then surgery, important, it is also an important cause, particularly ERCP. If the patient is having ERCP for any reason, he can get acute pancreatitis. Next is hyperlipidemia. When you have raised triglycerides, when you have raised cholesterol levels, then this can also contribute to acute pancreatitis. And finally, they are emboli. Emboli from anywhere, they can get lodged and they can cause pancreatic ischemia, and that will lead to pancreatitis. And lastly, drugs. Drugs commonly they are furosemide, sulfonamides, the hepatitis drugs. They can lead to acute pancreatitis. So I get smashed is the mnemonic that you can remember to keep in mind the causes, and just never forget that gallstones and ethanol, these are the two most common and most important causes of acute pancreatitis.